In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how we made $127,710 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Instagram. Okay, I will share with you guys my method that I use to promote my affiliate links on Instagram. I will share with you which affiliate links I was promoting on Instagram, how I found people who will be interested to buy my affiliate links, my services from my affiliate links on Instagram, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I'm gonna share with you for free. And of course, you can start this business with $0. For beginners, I will show you step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliates and start making some commission like this. It took me almost 2 years to earn this commission. I started this business from December 2021 until today. Okay, I'm still promoting affiliate links on social media, and I'm making a lot of money every single month getting commission using free traffic from affiliate marketing. So make sure to watch this video until the end and let's get started. So for people who will ask why it's showing $0 in your balance, because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account. Okay, if you start this business and you withdraw your money, it will show $0 over here. Okay, anyways, so first step for beginners who want to join Fiverr affiliates, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, what you need to do, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. What you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, so what you will do, put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private, scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go back to your Fiverr home page. Okay, go back to your Fiverr home page. So now I'm gonna share with you guys which affiliate link you should start promoting on Instagram if you want to earn commission. Okay, click on the search for Instagram. So since we are promoting our affiliate links on Instagram, we will use services that are related to Instagram. Okay, search for Instagram promotion. Okay, search for Instagram promotion, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated sellers, level 2 sellers. If people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so I'm gonna choose, for example, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile. This person has 33 orders in queue. A lot of people are buying this service, as you can see. So this is a profitable service. People keep coming back, so people will keep coming and will keep buying more services from this seller because this seller is providing a good service for his customers. Okay, so this is really good. So what you will do, you will copy this profile seller link and you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this affiliate this seller profile link here. click over here, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Instagram. Okay, so let's go to Instagram. So just go to your Instagram homepage like this, click on the search for this hashtag. Okay, search for hashtag follow back. Okay, search for hashtag follow back. Okay, search for this one. Okay, so let me see, search for this one. Okay, follow back, search for this hashtag. Okay, you will be directly in this page. So why I'm searching for hashtag for follow back? Those people who are searching for hashtag follow back, those people who are using this hashtag, they will be interested to promote their Instagram account and get more followers, more engagement, and grow their Instagram page. Okay, so that's why those people are using this hashtag. Okay, they want to grow their Instagram page. Okay, so what you will do, let me see if I can find a good one. This one is looking good, so let's check this one. Click on this page name, and you will be directly in this page. And as you can see, this page has just few followers, 2,000 followers. That's not a lot. He is making content about like motivation, positive thought. Okay, he is posting those pictures, not getting a lot of likes, as you can see. So this page will be interested to buy this service. This page can be interested to buy this service and grow this Instagram page. Okay, so what you will do, you will click on message. Okay, click on message like this. Okay, and you will be directly in this page. What you need to do next, okay, you will go back to this seller page on Fiverr, scroll down, so you should see over here about this gig. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this description. Okay, so I will copy just this part so I can give information to this Instagram page about this service. So make sure, so for you, make sure to just give it time and create a good description and explain your service. Okay, so people can buy this service from you. So what you will do next, you just need to come to this Fiverr affiliate account, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, and as you can see, this link is too much long, so we need to make it short. You can go to Google and you can search for this website, or you can search for Bitly. Those websites make long links short. You just need to put your affiliate link here and click on shorten, and your affiliate link will be short link. Okay, so what you will do next, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, and copy your affiliate link from here. And what you need to do next, go back to Instagram and put your affiliate link here. Okay, like this, and click over here on send. Okay, and your affiliate link will be sent to this person like this. Okay, as you can see, this is your description and this is your affiliate link. So if this person is interested to grow his Instagram page and get more followers, more engagements, he will click on your service like this, your affiliate link, for example, like this. He will be directly in this Fiverr profile seller page. He will click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. It's really super easy and simple. Okay, and make sure to promote your affiliate links to a lot of small page, and make sure to choose just small page, because a big Instagram page will not be interested to use this service. Just small page that just started and they want to grow their Instagram pages you will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, you can find a lot of page here. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That's how you can promote affiliate links on Instagram. This is my method. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.